What's going on, foodie fam? This is a quick compound butter. You can actually make this butter with a lot of different ingredients, like sun-dried tomatoes. You can actually do this with multiple different type of herbs. I'm actually going to use thyme. Sometimes I use thyme and rosemary in this, and it's very simple. I'm going to put this down. I'm actually drying my thyme out just so my butter will last a little longer than normal. I got some roasted garlic that I added, all my thyme leaves, and unsalted butter. Now, you can use salted, unsalted butter. I prefer to use unsalted because it allows me to monitor how much salt actually goes into this. So that's the reason why I actually use unsalted butter. This actually works wonderful in pastas, and just to have it, you can actually make a quick dish even faster than normal. The garlic, you can use fresh garlic. You can actually use different types of garlic. You can use garlic powder. I like using roasted garlic because it actually adds a little bit of a sweetness to it. And we're just going to put this on some bread right now and do a grilled cheese on the back of this with some wonderful, like, you can do regular cheddar cheese, smoked Gouda. You can use any kind of you want, but it's very simple. Great to keep it in the refrigerator. This actually will last for about a good 2 to 3 weeks, and you want to keep this out of the refrigerator so it's nice and soft. So I'm going to do some more of these quick videos just to kind of keep y'all up to date, but this is a quick hack to have in your kitchen. All right, see you later.